Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm working in Chief Architect Premiere version X14, but I do believe this tip can go back a couple versions at least. I want to talk about how to transfer some of the properties from one object quickly to another using the Object Eyedropper. So let's get started. I'm using this Object Eyedropper tool. We are familiar with Material Eyedropper, I hope. This Object Eyedropper, in this case, I copied a cabinet from another plan that had this molding on here, and I want to apply it to this molding, to this full height cabinet here. Using my Object Eyedropper, I can click on the tool right here. You can go into Tools, Tools Object Painter, and use the Object Eyedropper, or Shift B for boy, I guess. Object. So I want to click on the object that has my properties that I want to transfer. And when I do that, I'm going to come down here and select the properties that I'm going to paint. In this case, I could paint all of these properties. They're all checked. And I don't want that, so I'm going to click Clear All button here. And I'm going to look for the moldings right there. So I'm going to check moldings and click OK. And when I paint them onto this full height cabinet, done. I don't have to go searching for the profile. I don't have to set the proper height. Object Eyedropper. It's that easy. This Tech Tip Tuesday was a fast one. I hope you've learned something new and enjoy this information as I release them. If you do like it, please give a thumbs up. Hit like and subscribe down there, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop one of these videos. Otherwise, have a great week. Thanks so much. Take care.